let me show you how to install additional applications and data fields on your Garmin VivoActive 6. So for this you'll need to actually download this app called Garmin Connect IQ Store. So this is actually different from the Garmin Connect app, so we actually need two apps for this. So and once you download and install it, basically then over here you can click search over here, and on the top you can either search for apps or also open these categories. For example, for the apps it will open what we have basically. So and a lot of these apps you see are pretty much a free app. So there are a lot of decent apps over here, as you can see, but obviously also some of them are paid. So if you want to install something, so let's say this one, so I'm just showing something randomly, so click install, allow these access things over here, and then it will get basically push those in this queue, and eventually it will get downloaded and sent to your watch. But again, in some cases this takes quite a long time, sometimes even 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know why it's so slow sometimes. And also you can actually install data fields here as well. So for example, if you want to get additional data fields, for example for exercise, we can do that. For example, search for something, as you see. Okay, so that actually finished installing. So as you can see, we can actually launch it. As you can see, we actually have a brand new app over here. Okay, and basically, as you can see, you can get for example steps date field, so you can basically install them. So again, simply wait for some time. I will show you how to use them. Okay, so it's actually pretty fast this time. Okay, and if you actually want to, for example, use these data fields, basically, so for exercise, for example, you would go in the exercise, click run settings, data screens, click, let's say, edit this one. Okay, add new, let's add new. So we can make a layout. So, and then search these Connect IQ fields over here, and you see I actually have this new data field that I downloaded basically from this watch, essentially phone. So once done, yeah, basically, yeah, you actually have it. So, and for the apps, I think on this watch, basically, okay, let's go back. So I think they were placed over here. Let's see if it is. So yep, it gets simply placed over here, see if you see. So also you can click this edit button over here and basically click add if you do not see it for some reason. Also, sometimes some of these apps also get added on this menu. So if you press this button, sometimes some of these apps also get added over here. As you can see, I think the default actually is place where they get added is over here instead of the this main screen. So I suppose maybe only the official Garmin apps would get placed over here. The third-party apps, I think, would get placed over here, so you can launch them from there. Anyway, good luck.